YouTube, what's up? It's Justin. Today we're going to be installing some slip-ons on the Harley Davidson Street Bob. So FXBBS. This should be pretty much the same thing for pretty much all the Softail models, I would assume. Doesn't look too difficult. Looks like pretty much we're going to be removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts and some gaskets, and just sliding them off and sliding the other ones back on and putting new bolts in. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more content like this, and let's go ahead and dive right in. Alrighty, so this is the motorcycle in question. This is what we're going to be working on. Here are our slip-ons here. Got our exhaust system right here, and we're just going to be removing those. From what I understand, we need to loosen these 2 bolts here, and then this bolt here, and then we could take this piece off. Then after we take this piece off, then we can proceed to take the top piece off, and it would be the exact same thing. So there's 2 bolts right here, and then a clamp right here. We're just gonna look, these look like they're 14 millimeters. I'm not sure what size this is yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and start loosening stuff up. Alrighty, I got one off. That was harder than I expected. It wasn't difficult, but just a couple things. Let me see if I can show you. Hang on one second. Alright, so where the exhaust comes, there's like a little lip where they screw into. So when you're taking the exhaust, you have to get the clamp to loosen, and then you gotta like rotate it, this lip out past it so that you could pull it out and back. I was having a difficult time with that. Alrighty guys, so I had to take this bracket off. This bracket is right here. It's just 2 more bolts, and the reason why is these screws are positioned in an angle where you can't get them out. You're gonna hit your frame and like scratch all of this up, or it's just like at an impossible angle. So I had to take this bracket off, but only 2 more bolts. You don't need to take off the passenger peg. You can leave that on, so you just have to take those 2 off. Alrighty, these are the slip-ons we're installing. Cobra's Neighbor Haters. You could tell the top one because it has the logo on it. That's the one that we're gonna install first, so I'm gonna get to it. One down, 1 more to go. We're almost there. I think it's taken me about 20 minutes so far. I should have probably read the instruction manual, but whatever. Not too difficult, just a couple learning curves. But for the majority, I think this last one's gonna go on pretty easy. I think we're gonna be done pretty soon. And then we're gonna go ahead and start it up, see what it sounds. I'm super excited. Alrighty YouTube, got them installed. Look really good on it, but now we gotta find out how they sound, because that's what we really want to hear, right? Let's go ahead and see. Alright YouTube, that's it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching. If you like this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And thanks everybody for watching, and I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna go ride my Harley Davidson now.